Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Karen Rice. I'm going to be painting this gorgeous sunset. I'm going to get some pictures of this beautiful sky across these Hertfordshire fields. So, shall we get started? Here is the gorgeous reference photograph, and a link for this can be found in the description below, along with a full list of all the materials I'm going to be using in this tutorial, and also the colours that I'll be using and alternative colours. So I hope you find this helpful. Outline sketches are available on my Patreon membership, along with more voiceovers, ad-free tutorials with lots more unseen footage, tips and techniques, and you can cancel anytime. If you have any questions about the Patreon membership, please put them in the comments section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. What I'm doing here is I'm using some masking fluid to mask out the sun, and I'm using a masking pen, but you can use ordinary masking fluid. I'm applying this wet on dry to the sun area. Once your masking fluid is dry, mix up several washes for the sunset sky. These include orange, yellow, cerulean blue, ultramarine and some violet. Wet your painting and then paint on the yellows and the oranges around the sort of the horizon area, around the sun area. I'm using my size 6 brush, a small brush, and leaving little gaps in on the clouds as well. I'm now applying some violet wash. Just be careful not to get it on the orange, and I'm painting this damp into wet. As you saw there, I applied the cerulean and the ultramarine mixed with cerulean damp into damp. I'm now applying some cerulean mixed with Hansa yellow light, any yellow will do, and I'm applying a sort of a light layer of this green over the sort of field areas. Once that's dry, I've removed the masking fluid from the sun and I'm painting the distant fields with a mixture of ultramarine with some pink, wet on dry with my size 6 brush. For this next stage, I've allowed my painting to dry and I'm painting another row of bushes and trees using my size 6 brush with a mixture of ultramarine and yellow, painting wet on dry. As you see, as I'm moving towards the middle ground and the foreground, I've swapped to a slightly larger brush. I'm still painting wet on dry, but I'm making larger marks and slightly darker in tone as well, so it really creates depth in your painting. I'm also using the side of my brush as well. So once you've finished painting the distant trees and bushes and fields and middle ground bushes and trees, I've wet the sort of middle ground stroke foreground grasses, and I've applied a sort of ultramarine and a little bit of yellow wash, just wet into wet, just to create some sort of shadows and darker grasses here and there. And for this sort of left hand side, right in the foreground, I've mixed up a really creamy dark foreground wash using ultramarine and quinacridone gold. It's really creamy, so there's not much water in here, to create some lovely dark greens to pull this foreground forward, but also there's a very sort of dark sort of hedgerow here as well, and I'm going to use my twig just to scratch into the surface of the paint and pull out some darker grasses to create some textures and details. I'm just adding some creamy dark green wash here right in the foreground, damp into damp, using my size 4 brush, and just to create a few more darker grasses. I've covered my entire painting now with some paper towel just to protect it, and I've spattered the foreground with some yellows, greens and some white gouache as well, wet on dry. I'm just going to finish off now by just softening the sun coming down into those distant hills using an old synthetic brush. And here's my finished painting. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and sort of given you a little bit of inspiration to create and paint a sunset. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please put them in the comments section below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And if you'd like to see similar tutorials to this, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll get updates of my latest videos. And of course, if you'd like to see those longer videos with the unseen footage, lots more voiceovers with the outline downloadable sketch, why not think about the Patreon membership? Remember, you can cancel anytime, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below. Happy painting. Bye for now.